Hello guys, silver butterflies here. I'm packing my belts, vintage belts, back in a box. So I decided instead of packing by myself, I just show it to you. That's a green buckle. And I have butterflies in vast amount. So check this out. Lovely white belt with butterfly. I think it's so 80s, maybe 90s, but it's good. Another buckle, similar like this butterfly, but different. This more yellow, and this is yellow with the pearls, and this is diamonds. This one is very lovely. If you want to impress someone with a belt like that, here we go. Purple, and it's with a little leather and suede. I wish I had this black as well. This one is quite lovely, and I think it's the same as this because they made exactly the same style. So it's like Asian buckle, gold, blue, and something or another. It's very intriguing. Made in Italy. Imagine, it's like a very Asian kind of style. Another butterfly is like that, purple and yellow. So you just put a buckle like that and go with a purple dress. This is one of my favorite, golden leaves and black. Oi. Okay, I keep it here at my desk because I kind of want to wear it. The winter is almost here. Today is the first snow, but I decided to have an autumn leaves topic of conversation. Check this out. It's very fancy bird. It's like a peacock or some kind of mysterious bird from Russian fairy tale. Bought here somewhere in a local store. This belt will match my attire today. It's like silver and white. And a silver butterfly. Just many of those silver butterflies in one belt. That's it for now. More later. I'm your silver butterfly. Bye for now. All the best for you guys.